National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Strausstown, or 10 miles northeast of Myerstown, moving east at 65 mph. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Lehigh, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Palmerton, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Slatington, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Nesquehoning, Wilmsdorf, Wintersville, and Wellnutport. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 299, Northeast Extension between mile markers 49 and 83, Interstate 78 inches Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 66, Interstate 176 inches Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.